My brothers and sisters, we need to talk. Look at your desk right now. You have the blue pen, the black pen, the red pen, and 3 different colors of highlighters. Your notebook looks like a rainbow. You've spent 3 hours writing notes, and you feel very proud of yourself. But let me ask you a question, and be honest. If I take that notebook away from you right now and ask you to explain what you just wrote, can you do it? Or will you start scratching your head and saying, wait, let me check page 2. Stop it. You are not a student. You are a human photocopy machine. You are killing your brain and you are wasting your time. Today, I'm going to tell you why your perfect notes are the reason you are failing. And I'm going to show you how to actually learn. In Ghana, we have this culture of copy and paste. From primary 1, they told us, write it down. If it's not in your book, it's not in your head. Chale, that is a lie. When you sit in a lecture and you are just transcribing, writing every word the lecturer says, your brain is actually asleep. It's what we call passive encoding. Your hand is moving, but your mind is at the Osu Oxford Street, thinking about meat pie. You think you are being productive because you filled 10 pages, but that is just an illusion. You are acting as a secretary, not a scholar. This is why you can have a kingdom book full of perfect notes, but when the exam paper drops and the question is slightly twisted, you blank out. Why? Because the information is in the book. It never made it into your soul. So, what should you do instead? It's called active recall. And I'll be honest with you, it's hard. It's painful. But that pain, that is the sound of your brain actually working. Instead of putting information into your brain by reading and writing, you need to focus on pulling it out. Here is the no-note challenge. Next time you are in class or reading a chapter, don't write a single word. Just listen. Try to understand the logic. When you are done, close the book, take a blank sheet of paper and try to write down everything you remember from scratch. You will struggle. You will sweat. You will realize you've forgotten 70% of it. Good. That struggle is where the learning happens. Every time you force your brain to fetch a fact without looking at your notes, you are building a neural highway. Painful retrieval equals permanent memory. Chew and pour is for kids. Active recall is for legends.
There's a famous scientist called Richard Feynman. He had a BS detector. He said, if you can't explain it to a 10-year-old, you don't understand it. Some of you use big English in your notes to hide the fact that you are confused. You write things like, the socio-economic implications of inflationary trends. Masa, what does that even mean? If you want to know if you truly understand a topic, whether it's law, economics, or engineering, try to explain it to your grandmother in the village using only chui, ga, or simple English. No jargon, no big words. If you get stuck because you don't know the simple word for a concept, that is the only time you are allowed to go back to your notes. Use your notes as a map to find what is missing, not as a crutch to walk on.
I know some of you are angry right now. You're thinking, but my notes are so beautiful. I use the washi tape and everything. Listen to me. Your notebook is a graveyard for information you will never use. If you need your notes to explain a concept, you haven't learned it yet. I want to start a debate. Show me your perfectly color-coded notes in the comments, and I'll show you a student who is about to have a panic attack during finals. Am I being too harsh? Or are you ready to stop being a photocopier and start being a thinker? Drop your thoughts below. If you're brave enough, tag that friend who spends 50 CDs on pens every month, but still asks you, what did the lecturer say after every class? Like this video if you're ready to study smarter, not harder. I'm out. Peace.